exercise 1.2. So these are word problems. It means with solution you have to write statements also. So now I'll discuss every question of this exercise, but I won't solve all the questions. So first question is, a book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on first, second, third and final day is given. Find the total number of tickets sold. It means now the tickets sold on 4 days is given. You have to find total number of tickets sold. So what you will do in this question? You will add all the numbers and you will get your answer. Second question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? It means he wants to score 10,000 runs, but he scored 6,980. So how will you find the remaining scores? By subtracting. What you will do? You will subtract 6,980 from 10,000. Third question. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win? This question is also same as that of second question. What you have to do? You have to subtract 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. You have to subtract these two numbers. Now fourth question. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in first week of June. The bookstore sold books worth rupees 4,768 in second week. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? The sale of first week is given. The sale of second week is given. What you have to find? The sale of total both the weeks. So what you will do? You will add both the numbers. And now you have to tell that which number is greater. You know how to compare the numbers. So you see that which number is greater. In this question, 4,768 is greater than 2,85,891. Now you have to tell by how much, कि अगर ये नंबर ग्रेटर है इस नंबर से तो वो कितना ग्रेटर है. तो हाउ विल यू फाइंड? बाय subtracting both the numbers. You will subtract 2,85,891 from 4,768. Fifth question. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 and each only once. So means in first part what you have to do? First you have to write two numbers. One is the greatest and one is the smallest. By using which numbers? 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. And what is the condition? That you have to use each number only once. कि एक बार से ज़्यादा कोई भी नंबर रिपीट नहीं होना चाहिए. So first we'll find the largest 5 डिजिट नंबर। अब लार्जेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, इनमें से जो सबसे लार्ज नंबर है, जो सबसे ग्रेटर है, उसे सबसे पहले लिखेंगे। सो दैट इज 7 एंड देन विल राइट द नंबर स्मॉलर देन 7। 7 के बाद क्या आएगा, 6। 6 से छोटा क्या नंबर है, 4। 4 के बाद 3 and then 2. It means we have arranged this number in descending order. Next we have to find smallest 5 digit number. It is equal to, अब smallest में we have to arrange them in ascending order, मतलब छोटे से बड़ा। तो सबसे छोटा नंबर क्या है, 2, then 3, 4, 6, 7. So this is the greatest and this is the smallest number. Now what you have to do, you have to find the difference between them. It means you have to subtract both the numbers. So after subtracting you will get answer 5, 2, 9, 6, 5. Sixth question. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So it means first you have to write the statements. I'll solve this question. Screws produced in one day. In one day, how many screws are produced? 2,825. Now you have to find the screws produced in month of January 2006. Now in January, how many days are there? 31 days. So it means screws produced in 31 days is equals to, we'll apply unitary method here. अगर 1 day में इतने हैं तो 31 में कितने होंगे, 2,825 multiply by 31. So answer will be, find the answer, 87,575.